Hi, Attorney Shivick back with you today on the Consumer Law Blog. Today we're talking about the Massachusetts Lemon Law as it applies to private sales of motor vehicles. Mass General Law, Chapter 90, Section 7N and 1/4, Part 8 governs warranty obligations, rights of the parties, and remedies for a private sale of a used motor vehicle in Massachusetts. The private seller has to disclose to any prospective buyer before the sale is completed all defects that the seller knows of which impair the used motor vehicle's safety or substantially impair its use. The seller, if they fail to comply with those disclosure requirements, entitles the buyer within 30 days after the sale to retract the sale and be entitled to return of all monies paid to the seller. So if there's a used motor vehicle you buy from a private seller and it has some serious defect in it that you didn't see, maybe there's a front differential issue that appeared, or another issue with the steering, or something that's a material safety issue or impairs its use, you are entitled to return of all the money paid as long as you act within the statutory time frame of 30 days within the date of the sale. And so if the seller won't take the car back at that point, or if their settlement offer is unreasonable and you have to file suit, you can obtain your own court costs and attorney fees above and beyond, which is a little bit different than most cases in Mass. In some cases, the legislature allows the litigant in consumer cases or some landlord-tenant cases to recover their attorney fees as part of any case. So if you've been wronged by a private seller in a motor vehicle sale in Massachusetts, feel free to log on to shivicklaw.com, send me an email, and I'm happy to go over your sale and purchase with you, and we'll see if we can protect your rights under Massachusetts law.